We've got Mr. S Subramanium, CFO at Titan, joining us now on the phone line from Ahmedabad to talk about how the quarter was for the company. In fact, the company posted around 2,853 crores as their sales in the quarter gone by, and PAT was down by 3% on a year-on-year basis. Thank you so much, Mr. Subramaniam, for joining us here on NDTV Profit. Your sales overall have declined, but margins were slightly higher in the jewellery segment in particular. Tell us, how was the quarter overall?
I think we had a good quarter. I think you have to look at sales for this quarter, or the growth vis-a-vis the base effect that we had. Last year, if you remember, the quarter one was when we had what we call the gold rush, about 45% growth because of the fall in the gold prices. And therefore, I don't think it's fair to compare this quarter's performance vis-a-vis that. So in that context, a 7% drop in revenue seems to be quite a good achievement. And in terms of margins, yes, our margins are better because we did much better on the studded ratio for jewellery. Last year we had achieved 16%, this year it's about 25%. So we did much better on that. We are seeing stability in demand as well. Watches has continue to do quite decently this quarter as well. So yeah, there is some hope that things will get better. Yes.
Right, and I also want to understand, the Golden Harvest scheme is discontinued, at least for now. How much did it contribute to your total revenues? Are you planning to reintroduce the scheme anytime later this coming quarter?
Yeah, it has been a major contributor to our revenue. It's about 25% plus. And it's more important, as I said, it's more of a customer acquisition program that we are running. It is going to impact us in the short term for sure. For example, this quarter, quarter two, you will see a surge in revenue because we have to foreclose the program. But we are also looking at reintroducing the program in a short time, maybe a couple of months or so, once we get all the approvals in place for the new scheme, which will be sometime in the
reintroduce the scheme.
Yes, possibly in a different form because the return cannot exceed 12% per annum.
Right.
And on terms of a network, we can't have more than 25% under this space. So there will be a different scheme for the scheme.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Subramaniam. Thank you so much for talking to us.